Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to share with you more than 10 calorie dense breakfast recipes that can help you gain weight really fast if consumed consistently. This is a highly requested video by you guys, therefore I have listed all the ingredients and step-by-step recipes in the description bar below this video. First on my list, of course, is our popular weight gain smoothie, which contains lots of calorie dense ingredients and can be taken any time of the day. Baked beans and sausages, which is great for weight gainers with about 800 calories per serving. We also have a loaded omelet recipe which you'll truly enjoy. With only 2 slices of this fully packed peanut butter and jelly sandwich, you get about 700 calories per serving. And for the coffee lovers, make sure to take coffee with lots of cream or full-fat condensed milk to help increase your calorie intake for the day. And treat yourself to some of these whipped cream pancakes topped with berries and chocolate ganache. For the granola or muesli, go for the ones coated in chocolate or maple syrup. And for this oatmeal peanut butter banana bowl, you can also find the recipe below this video. Avocado toast is also a huge favorite and is really versatile, so make sure to fill yours with calorie-packed toppings to make every bite count. This list won't be complete without a calorie-dense milkshake. This can be made with sweetened full-fat yogurt, milk, whipped cream, or ice cream. And last but not least, we have a loaded burrito wrap which can be eaten as breakfast, lunch, or dinner. So guys, hope you try these meals and don't forget to check the description bar below for detailed recipes. And if you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up by clicking on the like button below, subscribe and share with a friend. I'll truly appreciate it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.